Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to move funds between your Questrade accounts? Maybe you wanted to consolidate your investments, or perhaps you needed to cover a margin call. Whatever the reason, transferring money between Questrade accounts is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Questrade is a popular Canadian online brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. One of the great things about Questrade is its user-friendly platform, which makes it easy for investors of all levels to manage their portfolios. Log into your Questrade account. The first step in transferring money between Questrade accounts is to log into your online account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. This is typically located in the main menu or under the Account tab. Select the source and destination accounts. Once you've accessed the Transfers section, you'll be prompted to select the source and destination accounts for your transfer. This means you'll need to choose the account from which you want to transfer the money and the account to which you want to send it. Enter the transfer amount. After selecting your source and destination accounts, you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Be sure to double-check the amount before proceeding to ensure that it's correct. Choose a transfer method. Questrade offers a few different transfer methods, so you'll need to choose the one that best suits your needs. Some common transfer methods include intra-account transfer. This is the simplest type of transfer and involves moving money between your own Questrade accounts. Inter-account transfer. This type of transfer involves moving money between two different Questrade accounts that are owned by the same person. External transfer. This type of transfer involves moving money between a Questrade account and an external bank account. Review and confirm. Before you finalize your transfer, you'll need to review all the information you've entered to ensure that it's correct. Once you've verified the details, you can confirm the transfer. Additional tips. Transfer limits. Questrade may have limits on the amount of money you can transfer in a single day. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of your account to see if there are any restrictions. Processing time. Transfer times can vary depending on the transfer method and the time of day. In general, intra-account transfers are processed immediately, while external transfers may take a few business days. Security. Questrade takes security very seriously, so you can rest assured that your funds are safe. However, it's always a good idea to use strong passwords and avoid sharing your personal information with anyone. Transferring money between Questrade accounts is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily move funds between your accounts and manage your investments more efficiently. So, what are you waiting for? Log into your Questrade account and start transferring money today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.